Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're at CVS for an amazing haul this week. It is the big hair event at CVS, which I'm so excited about. Everyone got this 10 off 40 CRT to use towards hair care products. So I have an incredible scenario and transaction that I'm gonna do where you can get $44 worth of products for a final net cost of $3.79. If you've been following me and subscribed for a while, you know I only use digital coupons on this channel to make it as easy and beginner friendly to help you be able to score the exact same deals. So if you are a beginner couponer and you want to learn how to coupon at CVS, definitely stay tuned in this video. We also have a fire diaper deal. We're grabbing bags of Huggies for $5.30 a piece, which is perfect if you're needing to stock up. So let's head inside and grab these deals. Let's get started with our first transaction, which of course is going to be the insane big hair event transaction. So we're going to be using this digital CRT that everyone got for $10 off of $40 for hair care. So the first thing I'm going to grab is the Dove products. The cheapest ones at my store are $6.29. They're also buy two, get a $5 extra buck. This deal is good all the way through the 24th of May. You're going to clip this 4 off 2 digital coupon. Next, we're gonna grab the OGX deal. These are buy one, get one 40% off. Buy two, get a $4 extra buck. I'm gonna grab these two at $8.99. It's the cheapest product included at my store. And we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so be sure to clip that. Then you're gonna grab 2 of the Garnier Fructis products. Some of the like anti-serum frizz is included as well, which is a great deal. Clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon. You're also gonna earn back a $3 extra buck for buying these two. The last 2 products we're gonna grab are these Monday leave-in hair conditioners. So they're buy one, get one half off, buy two, get a $4 extra buck. They're not tagged, but not every single one is gonna be tagged. So all you have to do is scan it on the CVS app under the savings tab, then click on the product. And if you scroll down, it shows that it is included in the extra buck promotion. We also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So let's go over this transaction. This is everything I'm grabbing for my hair care transaction. This will be my first transaction. Total is going to be $43.79. I have $24 in coupons, including that 10 off 40 CRT. I'm going to pay $19.79 out of pocket. I do have some extra bucks from last week that I will be rolling to lower my out-of-pocket cost. Then I'm going to earn back $16 in extra bucks, makes my final net cost $3.79 for all of these products. If you love these deals and you love saving money using only your phone, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. It's completely free and I'd love to have you as part of the channel. Now let's get on to even more things that you can save on this week at CVS. The next deal is on CoverGirl. So this week, again, they are buy two, get a $6 extra buck. So what we're gonna do is grab one of the eye pencils down here for $6.29. We do have a $4 off any CoverGirl digital coupon that we're gonna clip. Instead of grabbing 2 of those, I'm gonna grab one of these as my second product because we have a $3 off 1 CoverGirl face digital coupon. So it's gonna wind up being cheaper doing it this way. So total for these two are $15.08 minus the $7 in digital coupons. You'll pay $8.08, get back a $6 extra buck, makes your final cost $2.08 for both, or $1.04 a piece. So I'm gonna pass on this deal because I don't need these products and it's not a freebie or moneymaker, but it's not a bad deal if you have like a 10 off 70 or something that you're using and you need a filler deal to do. We don't have the best deals on oral care this week compared to other weeks, but if you need it, they're not bad deals. So first is on Colgate. They are spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. If your store follows the 98% rule, meaning the value of the products you're grabbing is 98% or more of $20, then you're good to go. You'll get the extra buck back. So we're gonna grab 4 of these. That'll bring us to $19.96. So we're close enough. We do have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. You'll pay $14.96, get back the $10 extra buck, makes it $4.96 for 4 tubes of toothpaste, or just $1.24 a piece. For me personally, anything $1 or less is a stock up price for oral care. Now let's stock up on diapers. This is my favorite deal this week because I always need diapers for my son and diapers are freaking expensive. So anytime we can stock up, I'm so down. So this week, Huggies are on promotion. For spend $45, you're gonna earn back a $15 extra buck and they're 2 for $20. So this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna grab 2 of the little movers or the little snugglers. I'm gonna grab the size 5. Click the $off1 digital coupon. We're also gonna submit to checkout 51 for $1 back on the second one. And we're gonna submit to Ibotta for 10 cents cash back per bag. Next, we're gonna grab 2 packs of pull-ups, again, 2 for $20. Clip the $off1 digital coupon. We're gonna submit to checkout 51 for $1 cash back on the second one. Plus, we're gonna submit to Ibotta for $1.50 cash back. The limit on that is 1. Now we need to get to $45 to earn back that extra buck. So the last product I'm gonna grab is one of the Johnson's products here. The cheapest one is $6.59. I'm personally gonna grab the bath because that's just something I need, but I'm gonna do the math based on the cheapest product of being $6.59, plus clip the 75-cent digital coupon. So these are the 5 products that you're grabbing that's gonna get you over the $45 mark. Total is gonna be $47.99, but we have $2.75 worth of digital coupons that are gonna come off at checkout. You can also pay with extra bucks, you already know that. So you'll pay $45.24 out of pocket. You're gonna earn back $15 in extra bucks. On Ibotta, you're gonna get $1.50 on the pull-ups, 20 cents back on the little movers, plus checkout 51, you're gonna get $2 cash back. Makes your final cost $26.54 for all 5 products, or $5.30 a piece, which is an amazing deal. Even at Walmart, you're gonna be paying $10 per bag of diapers, so that is insane. Definitely run to CVS and stock up on these diapers this week. We're also stocking up on paper products this week. So we're gonna do the Scott paper deal. Products are 2 for $20, spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. I'm gonna grab one of these Scott paper towels and clip the $off1 digital coupon. Next, I'm gonna grab one of these Scott toilet papers, also included, and clip the $off1 digital coupon. If you wanna get the Scott 1000 instead, you definitely can. So total for these products, of course, is $20. We have $2 in digital coupons. We're gonna pay $18 out of pocket, earn back the $5 extra buck, makes it $13 for 2 or $6.50 per pack. I personally think that's a good deal, so I'm gonna grab these products. We're back in from CVS. Everything went great. I did wind up grabbing one additional product. I needed some e.l.f. primer for under my makeup because I'm out. There was no coupons, no deals on it, anything like that. So my out of pocket is $10 higher because it was a product I needed for a vacation that I'm going on in a little bit. So let's go over my transactions. I did 3 transactions. The first one was that big hair care event deal. So these are all the hair care products that I grabbed. The digital coupons came off, that 10 off 40 came off. I rolled my extra bucks from last week, paid $11.86 plus taxes out of pocket. I did not get any cash back on this transaction, but I did earn back all of my extra bucks. So I'll be putting this into my new savings tracker. I'm so excited. If you came to my live coupon masterclass last week, I showed everybody my new savings tracker. That was like the premiere. I tested it out last month. I wanted to make sure all my equations and everything worked great so I didn't have any issues before I showed you guys. And then Coupons with Alicia posted hers and it was so beautiful. So it inspired me to make mine a lot prettier and more aesthetic. So I changed a couple things and I want to share it with you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I put in all my information in that savings tracker to show me really easily how much money I'm saving, the percentage I'm saving, the whole 9 yards. So my next transaction, I did the diaper deal. So I grabbed all the Huggies and like I mentioned in the video, I did the Huggies bath nighttime because that's just something I needed. The coupons came off. I rolled all my extra bucks. There we go. All my extra bucks from this first transaction, paid $29.54 plus taxes out of pocket. But then I submitted to checkout 51, got $2 cash back. And I submitted to Ibotta for $1.70 cash back. Now, typically I use my Fetch Rewards gift cards, but I forgot to submit for one last week. Fetch Rewards does take 3 full days to give you their gift card now. Back in the day, it used to take me like 5 minutes to get a gift card, so it kind of stinks that it takes a little bit longer now, but that's okay. And then my last transaction, I did the Scott deal, and then I just added on the primer. I rolled the extra buck. Here's that e.l.f. primer, it was $10. So I paid $14 plus tax. It would have been $4 plus taxes. So just understand that, because like I just grabbed it because I needed it. And then I earned back my extra bucks on the Scott deal. So this is how I'm entering everything into my savings tracker. So here's my new savings tracker. I am so freaking excited about it, and it makes it a lot easier too because it calculates everything for you. So all you have to do is enter in a few numbers. All the different formulas and everything are listed in it, so that way you can very easily see how much money are you actually saving and how much can you transfer to your financial goals. So what I was seeing originally with my other budget spreadsheet is it was just too basic. So a lot of people were messing up the cash cost column. So this, I broke it out so that way it calculates it for you. So we're gonna put in my 3 transactions from today. You wanna make sure that you have some sort of savings tracker or budget that you're using. Please trust me when I tell you, this is the key that you're missing if you're not saving as much money as you want. So this I have available in my coupon program, Journey to Savings. I just launched it. I'm so excited about the savings tracker. So what I'm gonna do is enter in for my 3 transactions. So my first receipt, now you can do the entire haul together or you can break it up in different transactions. It's completely up to you. So I'm gonna put the date, then I'm gonna select CVS. Then I'm gonna do retail value of this one was $43.79 for this transaction. Out of pocket, I paid $14.13. I include taxes in this. Rewards that I paid with was $18.11. Gift cards, 0. Paid gift cards, 0. Cash back that I earned on this one was 0. And rewards back that I earned was $16. Then my second transaction was my Huggies deal, which was $47.99 worth of baby products and everything. Out of pocket was $30.13. Rewards paid with was $16. 0. Total cash back was $3.70. Rewards back was $15. And then my last transaction was 30. Rewards. Total cash back 0. And rewards earned on this one was 5. Okay, so now everything is calculated out. It's showing you my total retail so far for the month, how much money I've saved using digital coupons, and my average percentage saved. This is what I mean by when I say when you learn how to stack your deals, you learn how to track your budget correctly, you can save 75% or more every single month. And right now I'm a little bit over that. So if you want access to this, if you want my step-by-step breakdowns and everything, it's in my Journey to Savings program, so I'll link that below. Or you can just go to briecouponqueen.com/JTS for the links so you guys can get signed up. Join the community, join hundreds of women who are saving hundreds of dollars every single month. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.